Do you ever look at your closet and feel overwhelmed by the endless piles of clothes? It's time to clear out the chaos and breathe new life into your wardrobe, starting today. Let's face it, wardrobe clutter is something we all deal with at some point. Whether it's overflowing drawers, a closet packed to the brim, or an endless collection of clothes that don't even fit anymore, it's easy to get buried under the weight of it all. But here's the thing. Decluttering your wardrobe isn't just about tidying up. It's about regaining control of your space, refreshing your style, and boosting your confidence. Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. In this video, I will share 5 simple, actionable steps to help you transform your closet, reclaim your space, and refresh your style. You'll be amazed at the difference a clutter-free wardrobe can make. Before we tackle folding, organizing, or donating, we must assess the situation. Think about what you want your wardrobe to reflect. Do you need more basics, or do you want to focus on quality pieces? Setting clear intentions for your wardrobe is key to making decluttering a success. Why this step is crucial. This isn't just about clearing out the old stuff. It's about creating a wardrobe that reflects your style and needs. Are you trying to make your wardrobe more functional? Are you focusing on sustainability? Or maybe you want to simplify things and let go of things you're holding onto out of guilt. Knowing what you want will help guide you through the rest of the decluttering process. How to do it? Take a moment to reflect on your wardrobe goals. What do you wear most often? What pieces do you love? If you're feeling stuck, list your favorite outfits and consider why you love them. Set your intention. Are you decluttering to simplify your life, embracing a minimalist wardrobe, or building a more sustainable collection of clothes? Once you have your intentions in place, it's time to start the decluttering process. You can't make decisions without knowing what you're working toward. Now that you have your intentions, let's begin the decluttering process. One simple, effective way to cut through the clutter is to use the 1-year rule. This rule is straightforward. If you haven't worn something in the past year, it's probably time to let it go. Why this rule works? It's a simple way to get rid of clothes that are taking up space without the need for complicated decisions. We often hang on to clothes we never wear because we will wear them someday. If you haven't worn something in the past year, you likely won't wear it in the future. How to do it? Go through each item in your closet individually and ask yourself, when was the last time I wore this? If it's been over a year, consider whether it still fits your style and lifestyle. If not, it's time to part ways. Don't forget to check for items you've been keeping because they might fit someday, or I'll wear them if I lose weight. Get rid of that mindset. Clothes should fit you now. Bonus tip. If you're unsure whether to keep something, try the flip the hanger method. Hang all your clothes with the hangers facing one direction. When you wear an item, flip the hanger around. After a few months, you'll see exactly which items you're not wearing. Those are the ones to go. Once you've gotten rid of the clothes you no longer need, the next step is organizing your remaining pieces. The goal is to create an easy-to-navigate wardrobe where you can see everything clearly, and nothing gets lost in the shuffle. Why organizing by category is a game changer. It's much easier to put together outfits when everything is grouped by type. Shirts, pants, skirts, dresses, and jackets. It'll save you time getting dressed in the morning, and you won't have to dig through piles of clothes to find that perfect shirt you want. How to do it? Start by sorting your clothes into categories: shirts, pants, outerwear, etc. Within each category, sort by color or season. For example, keep all your warm weather clothes together and winter items in another area. Fold or hang items neatly so that you can easily see everything. Use slimline hangers to maximize closet space, or consider adding dividers in drawers to keep things neat. Bonus tip. For an added touch of organization, consider using storage bins for seasonal items or pieces you wear less frequently. This keeps your closet from overcrowding while giving you access to those items when needed. Sometimes, decluttering isn't just about getting rid of stuff. It's also about finding creative ways to make the most of your space. If you have a small closet or are struggling to fit everything in, plenty of storage solutions can help you maximize your space. Decluttering doesn't stop once you've gone through your clothes. It's a continuous process. To keep your wardrobe clutter-free, make decluttering a habit and continue the process regularly. The easiest way to stay organized is to check your wardrobe before it starts to accumulate again. This could mean going through your clothes every few months to remove items you're no longer wearing, or reorganizing once a season to keep everything fresh. You might think, I'll never get my closet to look like those Pinterest-worthy wardrobes. The truth is, everyone's closet is different, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But the key is to start small and be consistent. No one gets to an organized wardrobe overnight. The clutter won't disappear in a snap. It takes time, patience, and regular effort, but you'll see the transformation happening once you start. And trust me, the effort is worth it. Let's explore how decluttering your wardrobe can impact more than just your closet. When you clear the clutter, you also clear your mind. You'll feel more in control of your space, choices, and life. A clutter-free closet isn't just about physical organization. It's about creating a mindset of simplicity, intentionality, and confidence. The beauty of decluttering is that it doesn't just make your space look better, it makes you feel better. It brings a sense of accomplishment and mental clarity. It can refresh your self-image because you'll start wearing clothes that make you feel amazing, not just clothes that collect dust in the back of your closet. Imagine waking up in the morning, walking into your closet, and effortlessly picking out an outfit that makes you feel confident and stylish. No more frustration, no more stress, just a peaceful, organized space where everything is easy to find. You'll spend less time stressing over what to wear and more time enjoying the little things in life. Your wardrobe will become a reflection of the person you've always wanted to be. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to declutter your wardrobe and refresh your style. By setting clear intentions, following the one-year rule, organizing by category, getting creative with storage, and maintaining your closet regularly, you'll create a functional, stylish, and stress-free wardrobe. A decluttered wardrobe means more than just a neat closet. It means a clearer mind, more confidence, and a better way to express yourself through fashion. So start decluttering today and give your wardrobe the refresh it deserves. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video for more organizing and style tips.